Today I am making no-bake mango cheesecake. We don't need cheesecake mold or ring for this cake. I am making it in a loaf pan. I am using one medium-sized mango for this recipe. Cut and make puree, but don't add water to make it. Cut the parchment paper like this and make a perfect liner for the loaf pan so that we easily take out the cheesecake. Now grind 9 to 10 digestive biscuits and add 1/4 cup melted butter or ghee in it. Spread it evenly at the bottom of the loaf pan. Refrigerate it for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our cheesecake batter. In a large bowl, take 150 grams cream cheese, then add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, now add our mango puree. Mix a little bit with a spatula, then use a blender for proper mixing. Now add 150 ml whipping cream. Again blend for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the batter in the pan. Top it off with some mango glaze. I am using my homemade glaze. If you want the mango glaze recipe, let me know in the comment section. Refrigerate it for 6 hours or overnight. Our cheesecake is ready. Remove the extra parchment paper. And cut the cheesecake in even pieces. Top it off with some mango chunks and mint. Try it and you will not regret.